Hi everyone, my name is Savera and I'm coming to you here from Pakistan, and today I'm coming with you to show you this journal that I made. I worked in the last video. You can see I made some page extensions um, like this one with these pockets like this, and today I made a mistake on one of my, so this has 4 notebooks. This journal has 4 notebooks, and one of the notebooks, you can see that these printables by Suzanne, there, no, there's no upside or downside. You can use them any way you want, except for this print. I think these are pockets going down from the top to the bottom. And I noticed what I had done in the last video. I don't know if you noticed. You can go back and have a look and see if you'd notice that I put the page extension like this. So it was, the pockets were down here, but this print was like this. So in the front it can go like this as well. It really doesn't matter. No, the writing is like this. So this is the front side, this is the correct side. The writing is like this, and it's like this, and I had put it upside down. So I took it off, and now I'm going to glue it back on, just to show you that, when you're doing junk journals, you can make mistakes and then you can correct those mistakes one way or the other. You don't have to redo or like scrapbooks. It has to be very neat, and it has to be just the right measurements. And once you've made a boo-boo like this, then you won't be able to redo it, or it'll be very difficult to do. But when you're doing junk journals, it's no big deal. You're able to correct your mistakes. So I don't think I can do it like this anymore. I'll have to do it like this. I don't know why this has become very bulky. I think it's because of this paper that I put here. It's become a little bulky. So it's going to be, this is how it should be actually. I'll have to put something here. So I'll just do this. I'll just take out some book page like this. Okay, like this. So it's going to strengthen this page because I had to tear my page out. I tore it out, and this is going to give it some strength. Okay, now it's going to go like this. Okay. So I like to batch out my videos, and I'm still looking at the comments just to see what you want me to do next, and I'll let you know in the next video how this goes. You can comment and let me know what you want me to work on, what you would like to see from me, what kind of work. Do you like flip throughs, or do you like process videos, or just so I know, just so I have this feedback. I want to connect more with my subscribers on this YouTube channel, and I'll be reading out your comments, whichever few I get. I don't get a lot of comments. I don't have my videos are not really widely viewed, but just even if I have a few, I'm happy. I'm so grateful for those. And okay, let's do this. Now I want to make some tags with the printables I had, here, and I'm going to back these up with this leftover paper. This is textured paper. You can see some textured paper strips that I had left over from another project. I am going to back these up with these because, you know, I don't like wasting paper. I don't like wasting anything. So especially this printed paper, because, you know, the printer takes a lot of ink, and I use good paper. I use photo paper, matte photo paper for all my prints, because the colors are so good that, you know, I don't like using the other copy paper. Yeah, they're okay, but the prints with the photo paper are just amazing, and I just like them. I like to use this paper, so, you know, I don't like wasting my paper. It's expensive, the photo paper. So this is what I'm going to do, since I have not bought new glue. I'm going to make the textured part of the paper to come out like this. So I love the color, the matching. See how nicely it's going. It's not tea-dyed, but it's a cream colored paper, like so it looks really nice on this print. So it's such an amazing print. I love it. So this is not going to be a very hard one. I'm going to see if this is good enough for the pockets that we've made. I've not measured anything out, so let's see. I'm just going to do it as we go and see if this is longer than I don't think it's longer, but when you glue down the pockets, there are less space is left behind. So let's see. And we also have to see if this is hard enough. So does it easily go inside the pockets? Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, it does. Excellent. Yeah, yeah. So it's not going to be. Let me just trim it down and then see. If you place it down like this, then it shows up in the notebook like this. So we have a big notebook. Even if it shows, can you see? It's showing from here. Yeah, and I like it. And when we're going to put something here, it's going to look quite nice. So this is the perfect size. So we need 6. So I'll go ahead and make those, and then I'll start recording the video again and show you what I've done. Okay, so I could not record the rest of the video. It was too long. I think if you have a video more than 8 minutes, then it just stops recording. I'll just show you the finishing of this journal, the tags I made and the things I put in. I made this tag. I think I did this one in the last take that I put this on. I also made this tag, put some lace here, and then put this bling here. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna start this again. Okay, and let's see. I put this tag in here with some embroidered leaf floss. this one in here, some embossed gray cardstock that I had. I've made a mass made some tags. I put the embroidery flosses that have been used and then on the embroidery, the colors in the embroidery on top. Yeah, and that's it. I put this one here that we made. What else? Nothing else. I think this is the final look of the journal. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.